Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Musyanura. My registration number is 204230085. I'm from TBIC. Here I will present my task about the total physical response. Total physical response, or TPR, is a method of teaching language or vocabulary concepts by using physical movement to react to verbal input. The process mimics the way that infants learn their first language, and it reduces student inhibition and lower stress. The purpose of TPR is to create a brain link between speech and action to boost language and vocabulary learning. A child can respond faster in this way because the total physical response method is very easy and light in terms of language and also contains elements of key movement so that it can eliminate children well when learning, especially when children learn foreign language. Listening and responding with action or movement has two goals: to give children a quick and effective way to recognize meaning and the language being studied, and means to learn the structure of the language itself. Grammar is not taught explicitly but can be learned from language input. Total physical response is a much needed way to learn language. The advantages and disadvantages of total physical response. A. The advantages of total physical response are: first, it is a lot of fun. Students will have fun, and this method can be a real motivator in the classroom. Total physical response will be a step, lift, and mood. The second, it is very memorable because the total physical response helps students to recognize the expression of words. Third, it is good for kinesthetic learners who are required to be active in the class. Fourth, it can be used both in large or small classes. In this case, it doesn't matter how many students we have, as long as we prepare to be leaders, students will follow. Fifth, it works well with mixed ability classes. With physical activity will get a comprehensive meaning effectively so that students are able to understand and apply the target language. The sixth, it is no need to have a lot of preparation or materials in using the total physical response. In this long, we are able to master what will be practiced first. It will not take much time to get started. The seventh, it is very effective with teenagers and young learners. The eighth, it involves both left and right brain learning. Disadvantages of total physical response. The first, students are not used to it. For example, because of the cultural background of performing certain actions expressed by the verb studied, they will feel ashamed to do them. Such things tend to be found in adult students. Second, the total physical response is only really suitable for entry level. Meanwhile, it is clear that it is much more useful at lower levels because the target language is suitable for activities, although it can also be successfully applied at intermediate and advanced levels. In this case, the most important is the appropriate language adaptation. Third, the total physical response is not flexible to teach everything, and if it is used a lot, it will become repetitive. This method is one way to change the dynamics and pace of the lessons used in conjunction with method and techniques. The total physical response method must be combined with others because it requires a lot of energy so that students do not feel tired of learning the language. Fourth, when teachers use total physical response in their learning, they will have difficulty teaching abstract vocabulary or expression. This total physical response method can be ineffective if the teacher uses it in the long term and helps to teach the target language because it tends to ignore narrative description and forms of language conversation. Deployment of total physical response. Total physical response can be used to learn and practice so many things such as A. Vocabulary connect with actions such as smile, cough, headache, wriggle. B. Grammatical items including tenses, past or present or future, and continuous aspect, such as every morning I clean my teeth or I make my bed and eat breakfast. C. Classroom language such as open your books. D. Imperative or instruction such as stand up and close your eyes. E. Storytelling. In addition, the total physical response can also be applied through the game because children really like to play various games. Games that can be used in this method are the first ones. Simon Says can be adapted to body words, action words, and objects students can touch, such as or not touch. Second, chain games building on action with speech, progressive child. The third, charades, miming, and catching words using picture or words cards, so that I can present a method about total physical response. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.